All right, guys. Walking up this hill on a wet Saturday night. Well, Saturday, yeah, just night, because it's just past 9 p.m. Nighttime officially starts at 9 p.m., right? And it goes till 6 a.m. But obviously, a day goes from 12:01 a.m. or 12 a.m. Not 12:01, 12 a.m. 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. It's windy as well. All right. Ooh. All right, guys. Just got back from doing 6 sidewalk hill sprints, and today I wore my Reeboks instead of the that Max Cushion. What brand is that again? Whatever. Anyway, I got my old Reeboks on, and they did a decent job of getting me up that hill. Anyways, guys, we're walking back down the hill again. I did my basement workout earlier. Look at that wind. Wild, whipping around those branches. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.